I hear you're the one who helped to train our noble king in preparation for his dragon-slaying quest. I admire your enthusiasm, but I fear Arthur may have bitten off more than he can chew. Which I doubt will be said of the dragon when it's through with him. Enter the Merlin stones, which render those who wield them invincible. I had planned to slip them into Arthur's garb before the battle, but alas, I appear to have forgotten where I stashed them. Would you help an old man search for them? Wonderful. I should really have considered how bad my memory was before I hid them all over Chronopolis, but... well, here we are. Good luck.
This is well outside my skill set. I'm paid to feed horses, not fix engines. I don't suppose you know anything about fixing flying horse motorbikes, do you? No, of course you don't, because that is not a thing people do.
Kid Colt rides again.
Thanks. Man, it was cold in there.
We're not gonna get attacked again, are we?
Take down the crime that's happening right now, and you could win a fabulous prize. The prize is satisfaction at a job well done. Same as all the others. Sorry.
I think me some minor tracer.
Can someone not put the shit in already? Life is difficult.
Thank you so much.
Great job. I knew you could do it.
Let's see if we can go a whole day without any trouble now.
Citizens with suggestions on how to improve Chronopolis can submit them to the big chasm surrounding my citadel. While it may look as though your idea is being thrown into the abyss, I actually have a very impressive and high-tech system in place for collecting this data.
Whose turn is it to water the plants?
Don't worry, there's no major urgency. Let's see what we have here. Yes, these appear to be all of the Merlin stones. And what seem to be a couple of pieces of boiled confectionery for good measure. How very thoughtful of you. The stones feel a little weaker than before. They may not make Arthur invincible, but at the very least, he should flicker back into existence should he meet a grisly fate. And that's certainly better than nothing.
Kang rail service is now free to all. Sure, it's not that convenient when
Hey, you didn't think you could be that helpful and not unlock a new Gwenpool mission, did you? Go check out that bad boy.
Arthur and I shall be departing for the Dragon's Lair shortly. I imagine it'll be quite the adventure.
This is well outside my skill set. I'm paid to feed horses, not fix engines. I don't suppose you know anything about fixing flying horse motorbikes, do you? No, of course you don't, because that is not a thing people do.
Them not reporting for duty.
really should have known that one. Lances! Nice idea! Knights do like their jousting.
I must be prepared, for the sake of every Avalonian.
Hulk is the strongest one there is.
That looks awfully dangerous. You sure you know what you're doing? Well, it's a good thing you came along. I had no idea how to tame this beast. Here, take this. You know, for helping me out and making me look and everything. Oh, and you can ride the bike whenever you want. I'm sure the owner won't mind. Just don't break it, okay?
Right, what's left to do today?
must find bad people. Bad people cause trouble here. Steal from villagers. Want chase thieves from village, but no can find them. I ask humans for clues, but they scream and run. They scared of wolf. But friend, not scare them. Friend, get clues. We find thieves, I scare them. Everyone happy. Friend help, friend good person. Most humans bored, but some say helpful clues.
Working the market is so boring. I want to go explore. Starting with that strange cat town next door. Maybe I'll meet a fella made entirely of cats. Hey, wouldn't that be something?
Oh, those blue-skinned ruffians have pinched another load of my fish. That's 3 times this week. If I knew where they hung out, I'd march right over there and ask them very politely to kindly knock it off.
The master finally agreed to let me take care of the jousting pigs. It's a great honor. Only trouble is, I'm pretty sure the lead pig, well, hates me. I can see it in her piggy little eyes.
Say, if you're not too busy...
I was hanging my washing the other day when a wolf appeared wearing clothes. Gave me quite a fright, it did. I ran away so fast I left behind my husband's breeches. Some travellers have not long set up camp just outside the village, over by the jousting tents. Peculiar sort. Blue skin, fishy-looking helmets. Wonder what they're here for.
This is your glorious...
Humans run away. Wolf! Friend find clues? Travelers buy tents. Maybe useful. Need more clues. Lady not like clothes? Feel sad. But no closer to thieves. Pigs! Where? No, must focus on thieves. Cat! Ruff! Hate cats! Chase cats! But later.
What?
Thief! Bad guy! But where 5? Friend find good clues. Blue bad guys steal fish. Friend ready? We go scare thieves straight. Steal fish bad. We make stop.
The people of Wakanda...
I scare. Bad guys leave. Then villagers nice to wolf.
Good day, Squire. Might I interest you in a sporting challenge?
Rah! Rah! Steal fish bad. Ruff!
Ah! Please, don't hurt us!
Stealing bad. Not take fish. Fish own fish. Be good or get punched.
We'll never steal again, we swear.
That's right! Even if I gotta beg for that coral polishing job back. No care about job? Just run away already! Fish safe? Village safe? Now I hero to all humans. Grr. Maybe now humans be nice like friends. Grr. One step at a time. Friend do big favor. Friend how for help anytime. I come running.
What a wonderful gift to myself. I certainly deserve it.
Whoever they got on snowplow duty seriously needs to up his game.